Going on, travelers, and welcome back to the channel. This is the last day of our Puerto Vallarta vacation, and we are so excited that you decided to spend your time with us. Today we woke up a little bit late and decided to head to the pier for a little bit of sun and that beautiful ocean view. Look at those puppies. Aren't they cute? They played for about 20 minutes right here. It was so awesome. The bigger black dog, the puppy, belonged to one of the boat captains. After that, we decided to head to Daiquiri Dick's for a late breakfast, early lunch. Some would call it brunch, and it did not disappoint. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this right now and you don't mind, if you could hit that subscribe button and smash the thumbs up button, it helps the channel grow, and consider it you doing me a favor. Thank you so much. Kyle decided to start with a coffee and a breakfast burrito, and I went a bit off script with a grilled cheese with tomato basil soup washed down with one of their famous mango daiquiris. Breaking news, major announcement. You probably just saw it. We were at Daiquiri Dick's. I showed you the breakfast I had, the tomato basil cream with the grilled Havarti sandwich. You absolutely have to try that. That's probably my favorite non-Mexican dish that we've had this trip. So I'm going to tell you right now, if you visit Puerto Vallarta and you want something that's not totally authentic, definitely stop at Daiquiri Dick's and try that sandwich because it was absolutely amazing. Now let's get into our day. After brunch, we decided to go back to the resort and enjoy the beautiful ocean views for our last day here in Puerto Vallarta. It was absolutely stunning. We laid out for a little bit, but then it was early afternoon and we decided to head out from the condo on our own little food tour. It was the last night of the trip and we decided that we wanted to start with a smash burger. We heard rave reviews about this place and we had to give it a try. We went with the standard smash burger with no tomatoes and fries. The burger was absolutely amazing, and this is a must-have if you're walking around the street in Puerto Vallarta. After that, we decided it was time for a refreshment, and we stopped by Joe Jack's Fish Shack. We had a few margaritas, and Kyle had a sangria. The margarita was crisp and refreshing, and Kyle said the white sangria hit the spot. They did not have an old-fashioned on the menu, so for my second drink, I opted for a bullet bite, which is essentially a Kentucky Mule in the States. Next up, we headed to La Langosta Loca for a couple of Pacificos and the lobster thermidor. I had heard from a few people that this was one of their best dishes, and we loved the restaurant, so we definitely wanted to give it a try. It was very fresh, and the peppers were outstanding. I think there are probably better seafood choices on the menu, but I would definitely not say that I'm disappointed. After that, we stopped at a place you've probably seen on the channel before, Andale. We had a drink and spent a little time talking to our favorite bartender. After that, we headed back to watch the sunset from the pool in our last night in the country. We watched the sunset and then headed out for our last night on the town. For dinner, we decided Italian food at Pizzietta. I had the Cabernet and Kyle started with a mineral water. The bread was delicious, and the oil and balsamic vinegar was to die for. For dinner, Kyle had the ravioli and meat sauce, and I had spaghetti. Mine was great and cooked perfect al dente, while Kyle's did not disappoint and the sauce was perfect. And of course, on your last night, you've got to try dessert. What is going on, everybody? Eric here checking in. It is our last morning in Puerto Vallarta. We had an absolutely wonderful time. We're leaving for the airport in about an hour and a half. We're going to have breakfast here at the condo restaurant on the rooftop. One last time, if you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Comment down below anywhere you're going on a vacation, an all-inclusive, or anything for that matter anytime soon. We'd love to hear about your travel plans and where you're headed. Please go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can get more of our content. It helps the channel grow and helps us bring you more videos and experiences so that you can check them out after we do. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.